everybody, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogtober. So today's cleaning day and I'm going to do a power hour for you. It's 3 o'clock right now, if you can see over there, and Alex has judo, so he's not going to be done until 4:15. So I have until 4 o'clock to blitz the house, and I'm going to show you just how bad it looks. So at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, cereal from this morning, junk, Alex's pajamas, stuff on the table, and wait for it, the kitchen. This is what happens when we do Vlogtober. You are kept busy and things fall through the cracks. So let me show you what I've got planned. I've written a quick list that says tidy and vacuum lounge, do the dishes, put laundry away, overall tidy everywhere downstairs. So let's get started. Just before we do, just wanted to remind you, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here. And with that being said, let's go. So I decided to try this mac and cheese. It was okay. I mean, I've never tried mac and cheese before, and probably buying it wasn't the best option, but okay. And also, can we take a moment to appreciate my pumpkins that came all the way from America? Thank you so much, Maggie and Di, my friends. They got these for me. Got three. Gotta find a place for them. Vacuumed in here. That is going outside. This is looking fine. I've added a new pumpkin. And there's a big one just here. That is for donations. That on the stairs is going up to the bedrooms. And here's what the lounge looks like. And then the dining table. Need to find a place for those. This is Alex's and my glasses. At the moment, that's like my little command center for Vlogtober. And then the kitchen. Washing up is done, apart from a pan there. That's just full of water so the crust comes off easily. This is what this looks like. That needs to go outside. There's the little bean. That's it. So the clothes were a bit of a bust. As you can see, I left them because most of them were still wet. But let me show you upstairs. Like I said to you, it's pretty tidy, so I don't need to do anything. Here's Stan getting comfy on the bed. So I've got about 20 minutes before picking up Alex, so I think I'm gonna get dinner sorted. I'm just making rice with fish. You guys have seen me do that loads of times, so I'm just going to crack on. Okay, you guys, that's it. I am gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna put the lid on it and turn it off and let it cook while I go and get Alex, and it should be fine by the time we get back. I'm gonna take this time to get my shoes on and get myself ready to pick him up. I hope you guys have enjoyed this very quick power hour. It is 4 o'clock, so it's been a good hour. I'll see you guys tomorrow.